Hello guys, my name is Jose. I'm living in Houston, Texas, and today I'm going to show you how to change the spring for your garage doors. First of all, let me explain to you what we have right here. Right now we have a door 16 by 7. It's a 25 gauge. It's a different gauge, and 16 by 7 can be 20, 26 or 24. 24 is the more heavy. 25 it's lighter, and 26 is very light door, so which I don't recommend 26 gauge. But today we're gonna change those springs. The door had 2 springs, and then so we're gonna change for 1 spring, which I like it better is 1 spring, because when they have 2 springs, one's broken and the other is doesn't broken, people don't realize, and then they start using the opener, and sometimes they broke the opener too. So right now, I take it already some, I lose some screws right there. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Please make sure if you're gonna do it yourself, carefully. This kind of spring is very dangerous. If you go to Home Depot and look at the spring, they don't sell because it's very dangerous. So now, what I'm gonna do is take those springs, there is on the top, and then we're gonna put one make the job for 1, but you have to make sure it has the right spring. It's not such thing like a universal spring, okay? Always, you're gonna change the spring in the door, you must to make sure you have the right spring. Now, if you live in Houston, Texas, you can call me and I can help you with changing the spring. I have been doing this business for a long time, so I take the berry plate is very important. Take it out this thing, you can put it on the side, and also have the right tools. The right tools is very important. So this is my tools right here, you can see it, and then I want to move the pulley. This pulley I want to put this side right here, and then I'm gonna move, I wanna take away this spring over here. Yes, do exactly what I'm doing, okay? So you have your step ladder. So I wanna push this thing a little bit right there. It will be okay. There we go. Now I'm gonna get this spring carefully. There we go. So this is the spring. So this spring is not working, so I'm gonna put right here on this side. So now I'm gonna use this spring. This spring make the two is the same too, but you have to have the right springs. You cannot do any combination. You cannot put this. You see, this looks like it's a spring, and maybe you think, oh, it's a spring, it should be work, but it's for different ways. This is a 75 pound. This is around 80-90 pound, and this is around 150 pound. It's about your door. Now, so we have the spring. We have to measure. So this is gonna be the black side, and this side the color means left. I mean right. Yeah, it's gonna be the right side. So we need to put this on the right. Yeah. So now I'm gonna put my spring over here. But before that, I need to go to the other side. Yes, follow. Okay, guys. So I need to get my polish, which is red. It's right. Left. Right. There you go. So we put. We have to put it the right way. So everything. This is gonna be inside. So there is. So we just put this thing back. There is. So now put it back. The spring. Here's my spring. Very nice. I like it. Hot sunlight. And then, so we need to put the screws. When we put it on the top, it's 2 screws. We put it over here. 1, 2, put it right there. And then later on we get the impact and we tie it. Tie the screws. Alright. So looks good. Now I'm gonna put the other pulleys back. Black, right? Put it right here. Very good. Now the wall plate. With this. So we just put it over here. If you have lubricated DW40, you can put around here, okay? And it's gonna be better. So right here, we put this thing back. So we have some screws right here. And then put it back. 1. There we go. Another 1, 2. There we go. So there is the wall plate and the plate. Okay. Now I need to get my drill. Let's go to tie the screws. Nope. There it is. There we go. Now the spring. This is very important. We need to tie the spring. Tie. There we go. There we go. So now what I'm gonna do is tie the cables on the pulley, and then I'm gonna explain to you how must to be tied. Okay. So I'm gonna get the spring right here. There we go. So we have our tools right here. Now I'm gonna put a cable. You see this brace right here? So we put it right here. We just round it, and the cable, it must be like a guitar cable. It must be tight. We put this. Have it this. 1. So when it's right here, we have to do 3 turns. 1, 2, and 3. And it's fine. 3 is fine. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's 1. It's touch the pipe. 1, 2, and 3. Very nice. So now we have to use the biases. Put it right there. So the cable is tight. So now we're gonna have to go to the other pulley. Okay, so this is the pulley right here, right? And then so we have to put this cable back the pulley right here. There we go. Thank you very much. We put it right here. So now we need to tie again the nut. There you go. Put it right here. 1, 2, and 3. And then the other one too. So we just tie it with our hands, and then we make it 1. Hold on. It's kind of complicated sometimes. There you go. Just to make sure we can get to the number 3. There you go. 1, 2. Yeah, sometimes it's a little hard, okay? But remember, if you don't know how to do it, just call somebody else in your area. You can call me and I can help you with that. So now everything is on the track. I want to show you how much to be the cables wait, follow me please. You see this cable right here? It's like a guitar, so it must be like that. So in this situation, the cable is not gonna loose when the door is in the top. Never touch this cable on the bottom right here. Just never like that. Okay? Now, so we have to, so we have to keep this on the packet in the back. We have to use our 2 bars to give it torsion. This part of the door is very, very dangerous. Very carefully. That's why those springs don't sell on Home Depot and Lowe's. You have to buy it for professional or get it in somebody else. Now we're gonna do the torsion. So we have to write step ladder, and then so we're gonna do it. It's very important the torsion because you have to know how many cycles you have to do to the spring, so the doors go up very well. So just check out how I do it. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. All right. So we have it ready. You just give it the cycles. Now, gonna tie the spring with this. Thank you very much. After this, there we go. Right here, under that 1, 2, and 3. Never ever touch the spring. Okay. So you just hold it with the 2 bar right here. Can be very dangerous. Never ever touch it, even in your drinks. 1, 2, and 3. There you go. So the door is now with the torsion. Now we're gonna do, before we use the door with the opener, we have to make sure the opener is not hooked up. So the opener is okay, it's fine right now. So now I'm gonna take this right here. So the door, I'm going to go up now. So the door is up. When you can put your door up with one hand, that means the torsion is right. That's always you have to be careful, okay? If you use 2 hands to put your door up, that means it's wrong. It need more torsion. If your door goes faster, it does mean it's a lot of torsions, a lot of pressure. So you need to take it out. Okay. So you see it right now. So please come inside. I'm gonna show you. One hand, never use the back to put it up, okay? So make sure the spring you have for your door 16x7, 25 gauge, the right springs. Sometimes you can use 2, sometimes not, but I prefer use 1 instead of 2. So now, our door is good. There is, so we're gonna use the opener to open the door. There is. It's working properly. That's it. Guys, give me a favor, subscribe to my channels. If you're in Houston, surrounding areas, give me a call. I can help you and put the springs for you. Okay, if you don't have time, you have work, just give me a call. Any questions, let me know. My name is Jose again. See you in the next video.